Happy birthday, Mother Hermie. One of my idols or icons na talagang hinahangaan because of what you've been, how you've given your life in the service of your career. Talagang it's really something to emulate among your peers. In fact, I think hindi naman tayo nagkakalayo ng I think kala ko mas matanda pa ako pero ganun pa man, I look up to you, and with the emulation comes an inspiration to pick up some pointers from your success story, how you've come a long way from the industry that was thriving and very dynamic to the new millennium, where you are one of the movers and shakers of this industry. Wishing you more power, and I wish that all your Sacred Heart's desires will materialize in these many years. More happy returns of the day. God bless.